Next, I'm going to teach about how you can work on the workspaces. So once you are here, I can create new file here, otherwise file. Then you can select which mode you are working. You can select. I am selecting web and I am selecting here. So you understand one thing. Say in web, it is only 72 pixels, and in print, it is 300 pixels. DPI is 300. What is the different? Print is on printing on the paper, and web everything displayed on the devices. And mobile, what is the 72 dpi, 72 ppi, pixel per inch. So this is a one important thing you need to understand. So which medium you are going to work, that medium you are selected the web, you are going for a printing, there is no clarity on the image. So this is, I'll take it what is mean by DPI, PPI, and LPI. But presently you need to understand one thing. You need to select the file based on your output. So your output is web. You need to select web. The, so again, this art and illustration, you can see that it is 300 dpi because it need to be printed. What is mean by 300 ppi means 300 pixels inside 1 square inch. When you print it, that will come properly. Okay. So I'm selecting web this time. Then I am selecting this size 72 ppi. Again, square pixels, background area. And you know that this is a width and height. You can see it is based on pixel. It is not based on inches or anything. If you can select inches also. So create. So now I last video I showcased docking and undocking. I moved the uh, panel. You can move the panel like this. You can place it anywhere you like. You can a left hander or a right hander. You can accordingly you can move it. Sometimes it is not moving. If it is happening like that, we will just reset this. And this is called for properties panel. You can undock it like anything. So that is the one. So he can dock these two things. Then you can place it here. Okay. So this is a one way you can organize your workspaces. Other than that, also here is you can see that you can dock it this panel, then expand it. So you can put it outside. Then you can expand it also. So these are not much used, but you can easily dock and undock. You do that. So it has come up this way. I need to dock it again. I need to place it here. Once I move, that blue screen is coming up. That means only you can place it that time. So this is a way you can arrange. The layer panel is very important, and workspaces are very important. Some people will use hide the panels very well. They are only using these shortcuts. Any panels are missing, you are unable to see. You go here, you can see the panels. Then you can dock it anywhere. So this is called for docking and undock. Okay, so here I am coming back again. So this is essentials I told you. This is a default. And here also you want a graphic and web you need to work. So most of the time graphic and web may you used to work on character. So it will display it first on this. Again, you want a layers on this also. Window, you can put layers. Layers will come up here. So you can work together. And you are mainly contributing working on the library, window libraries. So library is also key. So you think that this is my way of working every day. I want this panel. Like when my Photoshop is look like I want to see that. You just do things, select. Then you need to do new workspace. This is my web workspace. So in your computer, three shifts are there. One shift, another person is working. He using a different way. Another person is working. Then whenever you are coming, entire Photoshop interface is changed. No problem. I am going to another interface motion. It's a different. Then I am coming back to what I said graphic, and I'm not saved that. So this is a graphic and web I saved. I can see that. So with your name, you can, so I can think that I'm not saved with my name. Okay, now is next one is motion. You think that is entirely different. If you want to work on a motion thing, you can different interfaces. Another interface is you can see painting. You are working mainly on illustrations. So you can see a different workspace here. So more colors and related things and brushes. And again, another workspace is photography. You are making working on the photos and photo editing. And here you can see that. So I clearly explain what is meant by docking and undocking. How can I convert this as an icon? I can put it on here. Okay, you can how to expand this. And again, you can how to reduce it and you can place it here in this. It is not allowing in a smaller size. Okay, so then how to save a workspace and depends upon that. And major thing is that you should not print a web platform, you cannot mobile platform, you are going for a printing, you will not get proper clarity. So you need to understand one thing very clear, which platform your output is required. That platform you need to select it from the file name. So thank you for watching. I think all the things I explained here is clear and work accordingly. Thank you for watching.